So, if you might have noticed in the time lapse, I started and then stopped and then started the print again. That is because, if you remember when I measured this rod with my vernier calipers, I got 7 point something mil, 7.9 mil. So I inputted that into my calculator and then divided it by 2 because that's how SolidWorks works. That's how SolidWorks does things. And I must have got it wrong somehow because I ended up with that. I've got no idea if you guys can see that, but that is completely off. So I've since corrected the 3D model, and I'm now doing a new time lapse of the print. Okay, so after that print, we are left with this, and this should fit onto this. However, just in the same way this didn't fit, this one is off. Well, it fit in, just it's too tight to go all the way in. And I'm assuming that's because of either a printing error or because this hole was only made 0.05 millimeters bigger than this rod. The tolerances aren't quite there, and this is printed on my quick settings, preset settings, so it's not quite a good print accuracy as this thing could do. That's an easy fix. The other thing, I took a very quick guess at trying to replicate this. I got it wrong. So this part, this motor should fit onto here, and then the two screw holes should line up with them. Now they do line up in length, probably can't see that, but they do not, however, line up because this bridge here is hitting this. So that's an easy fix too. Just means I've got to do a bit more printing. Okay, so sorry we haven't accomplished much this episode. However, I have since made a new version. This works. For the next episode. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see anything in the future, put it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.